Hey groovy gardeners, alright, a quick video, 2-minute tutorial on moving your plants outside. So if you've been following along, you'll have seen all these kinds of plants growing downstairs in my basement apartment, and this is the week I'm bringing them out. Couple of factors I'm taking into consideration as I bring them out. Number 1, daytime temperatures. Number 2, sun. Number 3, really important, nighttime temperatures. Number 4, forecast for the week. Is this just a glitch of decent weather or not? And I think that's about it. Those are the main things that I look for. Oh, and solar storms, because I don't want to get these guys to get scalded. So here we are. We're out in a shady section of the yard, so we're under a tree. You'll notice I've got planters around them. These guys are kind of skinny. They haven't had to deal with much airflow, so they're out here on a windy day, and they're protected from the breeze a bit, but enough to give them some push to help them get strong. They're in the shade to avoid sun scald. They haven't developed the ability to transmute the UV yet, so they need time to do it slowly. So the filtered light of trees is really good for that. The temperature out here today is supposed to be around 20 degrees, 18. That's perfect. I don't want to be super hot. I don't need them getting cooked, and I don't want it to be cold. Nighttime temperatures this week are going to be a little bit chillier than I would like, possibly 9, 10 degrees, maybe a little lower. So I am going to use garden fleece and make like a little spot for them. So this is the first groups that I've brought out. I will check back in a couple of days and we'll see how many are alive. This group actually came out yesterday. They've had some time in the sun. It's a little hard to see. But we've got some peppers in there. There's celery. There's zinnias. Flower I can't remember. There's basil. And then today it is all different kinds of tomatoes. So I'll be back in a few days to let you know if they survived. Bye, y'all. Love you.